Welcome back to another exciting get ready with me makeup tutorial, chit chat, makeup therapy, all the things. Today we are accompanied by a nice glass of Chardonnay. Not my favorite, but it was a gift, so cheers. We are getting ready for my upcoming anniversary, and because I love Mariah Carey and I'm a fellow lamb, your anniversary is pretty much your birthday. So my birthday is coming up in a few days and I am not ready. Not because I'm not excited about my birthday. I'm always excited about that. I just don't know what I want to do. We'll get into all those things. I wanted to recreate the most, dare I say, famous makeup tutorial I've ever done on my channel. It was a bright purple and pink shimmery halo look. It was so beautiful. Every time I have videos that feature that look and you all comment, y'all are always like, oh my gosh, the makeup, the makeup. So I wanted to recreate that. Hopefully I'll do something for my birthday and I can actually wear this look out. But y'all know that I'm a true certified homebody, so if I just order food and get a nothing but cake, your girl will be happy. So I have my wine because I feel like we've never done like a wine chit chat get ready with me, and I have a large pour because it's festive. So grab a beverage, some water, some wine, an adult libation, liquor, what have you, and let's get started. I have started with my eyebrows done just because you all know that that takes me so long to do on camera. I'm going to start with my favorite makeup primer. And this is going to be really essential for this look because we are doing a bright eyeshadow look. I'm nervous. You guys know that I never plan these looks, so good luck. Me to me. But yeah, I just wanted to sit down with my girls and my guys and chat it up, see what's going on in you guys' life. Chloe's back there. You probably can't see her. Oh, air. Praise the Lord. But yeah, guys, I am excited for my birthday, but no, I don't have any plans. I have started purchasing things though, and I'm so excited to share with you guys what I've picked up for my birthday, but I won't spoil it now. Okay, so I'm going to use my Master Palette by Mario, my favorite. This is my favorite makeup palette ever, and I'm gonna use the shade Isabel because that is the best transitional shade for me. And I'm just going to pop this in my crease because the colors we're using today are very, very vibrant, and we need something a little more neutral tone. I'm really excited to do this makeup look, you guys. This is going to like get me in the mood to do really bright, fun summer looks. And oddly enough, as soon as it gets really hot outside like it is now, I don't want to wear too much makeup, specifically if I know I'm going to be outside. I already sweat a lot, I'm really oily, and just the thought of wearing a ton of makeup scares me, but I don't know. This look is going to get me in the mood to wear more makeup for sure. You letting out a deep sigh, Chloe. Did you go to work today? Do you have a job that I don't know about? I'm just trying to figure out why you're so exhausted because mommy works today and she worked out. Then she ran errands. And I'm just trying to figure out, baby, what you did today. Did you do those dishes downstairs? Oh, okay. Just confused. Anyone else's dog take all these deep sighs and you're like, what have you done? I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Neon palette. I'm really, really nervous about this because I don't remember what I did, but we're gonna wing it. So I'm gonna use this bright purple matte shadow, and I'm going to put this in my crease, really just focusing on the inner and outer portions because this is going to like create the basis for the halo that I'm gonna do. And y'all, I'm talking like I really know what I'm doing, and you guys know I wing all these looks. But I do know with the halo, you put it like on the inner and outer corner, and then you pop a shade in the middle. I hope this turns out right. If it doesn't, we'll just have a fun makeup tutorial because I get to hang with my girls. As always, thank you all for all your kind words when I do share makeup tutorials because you guys really like keep me loving makeup. I mean, who am I using these bright colors and where am I going? It's Saturday and I'm not going anywhere, but I do love putting on makeup sometimes, apparently all the time. Okay, so I think I have a good foundation. I'm just trying to deepen up this outer corner. It already looks bright and fun. Oh, this is making me so excited. So if you are a fellow Gemini, drop it down below in the comments. You know, every time I tell people that I'm a Gemini, I feel like people are like, oh, you're so crazy, you're two-faced, blah, blah, blah. And I find that people love to hate Geminis. I don't think people actually hate us. We just get a bad rap. But of all my friends who love Geminis, they always say like, y'all are crazy because y'all just don't let people try you. And that's the biggest lesson, don't try us. But we really do love hard, and we go hard for the people we love. So I don't know, I feel like people just really love to hate us, but we're also very creative, we're very loving. A lot of us are spontaneous, not myself. But other than the spontaneity part, I think I'm a true Gemini. I'm very all or nothing. That's my personality. We love you and we love you hard, but don't test us because you will see a different side. Like, I know some of you guys watching this are probably like, oh no, you could never. Yeah, I'm as sweet as pie, but just don't mishandle me or mistreat me because that other twin definitely comes out. Like, and when people see my other side, they're like, oh, she really wasn't playing. She's a Gemini. I am. Now this is looking a little darker. I feel like I had previous eyeshadow on this brush when I started this look, because I wasn't prepared and I didn't clean my brushes, but real life shit. Let's try to lay the foundation of this pink shimmery color. Pray for us. I wish I remembered what I used specifically. So I'm going to use a flat shader brush and go into this hot pink color first to lay the foundation because I feel like these shimmery shades need a base. And y'all, I could be doing this look completely different from how I did it last time. I should have probably gone and watched the video, but it's the 2022 take. I'm gonna flip the brush over and I'm gonna go into this really shimmery hot pink shade. And I'm going, yes, yes, baby. And we're gonna pop that in the middle. Oh, she is cute. I might even have to use my finger because, yeah, I'm gonna use my finger. I feel like, am I getting better color payoff? I absolutely am. Oh, she's cute. Okay, so what I'm already realizing is that this is not like the other look that I did, but it's close enough. I think the other look had more purple tones on my lid. But this is fun. This is still very fun. Oh, I was gonna say she's going out. No, she's not. But I feel like I should. This is really pretty. Yeah, it's definitely not just like the other one I did, but it's close enough. Okay, now I want to go back into that first transitional shade and blend on top. Oh, this is so fun. Yay! Okay, now I'm going to do some face and we're gonna have a sip of wine. This just made me so excited, you guys. So I'm of course using my favorite foundation with my Beauty Blender dupe. I have already applied my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray because that's the setting spray you're supposed to use before and after makeup. Do y'all see how easy that eyeshadow was? That's the thing about me. I love a good eye look, but if it's gonna take like 20 minutes, no thank you. Who wants to spend 20 minutes on makeup besides a makeup artist? Not I. Not I at all. Okay, so this is like one layer. Now I'm going to go back and apply coverage where I need it, which basically my cheeks and my chin, because that's where I have hyperpigmentation. And y'all know that's my tip for getting full coverage without looking too cakey. You really only want to apply extra coverage where you need it. It's the fact that I thought I was recreating that same exact look and this is not it. my Pat McGrath concealer, aka my favorite. I'm looking up so that I get minimal creasing because your girl is getting old. We're gonna let this set. And of course, we're gonna play some tunes. What shall we listen to today? Let's listen to some birthday music. Honestly, one of my favorite birthday songs, it's by Usher. What is it called? Okay, now let's blend that out. Continuing to look up so we get minimal creasing. And really cutting this side to get nice, sharp makeup placement for the eyeshadow. But yeah, guys, speaking of spending a bag, blowing a bag for your birthday, I look crazy. I have purchased my big gift for myself, and it's a luxury item, and y'all are gonna be shocked. I'm shocked. I do have to go back and look at my prior videos because I think I spoke about it in a way as to say I would never acquire this item. And now that I have, I am eating crow, as my girl AI the Great would say. It's definitely like a popular bag, and y'all know that I'm really not into popular, shouldn't say popular, I'm not into trendy bags. I tend to go for classic pieces because that's just my style. Now, I think this bag is a classic. Y'all may think it's trendy, but I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I think y'all are gonna be shocked. Y'all would never think that I would want this bag. But yeah, now I'm just putting on my loose translucent setting powder, of course, from Laura Mercier. Her setting powder is my favorite. I have tried other brands. I do not like them. I'm sticking with the good girl Laura because she keeps us looking flawless and airbrushed. Now I think I'm going to do my lashes. I'm using my magnetic lashes. I will link them down below. I like magnetic lashes just because they're easy. So these are by Eylure, and I'll see you guys when I'm all done up. Oh, but before that, I have to use my Bite Beauty mascara because that's my fave. It's not even my birthday. Yes, it is, but I wanna make the icing. Yes. Can't wait to throw my candles out. Cake. Yes. It's your birthday. Yes. Bitches coming through. Fuck it, let's get high. Okay, while that finishes drying, because I want to give it ample time, I'm going to go back into that matte purple and just put it on my outer crease area. I just want you guys to be able to see it a little more. Y'all, this makeup is actually making me so excited for my birthday. Reason number 100 not to do your makeup and drink wine. First of all, I have like these studio lights in here, and the wine is just making me so much more hot. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna overheat. So now I'm gonna apply my lashes. Y'all, it's so hot in here. I'm never drinking wine and doing makeup again. I feel like my face is about to start sweating. Okay, now I want to put some shadow on my lower lash line to kind of finish the look out. So I'm going to use a little pencil brush, and I'm gonna use the purple. No, I want to use the hot pink. And I want to make it meet with the shadow on my outer corner. You okay back there, Chloe? You're making some interesting noises. And I always tell you guys, like, duplicating what you do on the above your lash line on your actual eyes to your lower lash line, it just helps the look appear so much more finished. Come on, eat the cake, it's your birthday. Come on, eat my cake. It's my birthday. Let me stop being spicy. Using my favorite bronzer, the Good Girl Charlotte. I'm trying to think. I think I purchased a backup of this during the Sephora sale. Definitely hitting pan, and I've had this for like over a year. That's what I will say. This Charlotte Tilbury bronzer is super expensive, but it lasts a long time. And it's refillable, so you can be a sustainable king or queen, and we love that. I put my bronzer under my cheekbone, my chin, my jawline, and on my temples. Come on, cheek. Yes, yep, that's exactly how I want to look for my birthday. I want to be chiseled. Chisel me. Okay, for our blush, of course, I'm going to be using my favorite neutral blush of the moment, and that is NARS Savage. Just gives us like a nice little terracotta pop of cheek color, but without being like overly colorful. Okay, so I put some more eyeliner on and I got my lash to stick. Now I'm going to put my mascara onto my lower lash line. Come on, eat the cake, it's your birthday. Whew. Well, cheers to that beat. Oh yes, honey. If you ever just want to feel yourself, put on a beat face. Yes, 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 yes. Now I'm going to remove the makeup from my mole. I won't do it yet. Get a little ahead of myself. Okay, I'm gonna do my lip. I'm using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Trendsetter. I love this nude. It's like a darker nude and you don't need a lip liner. It looks so good. And it smells like a vanilla cupcake. Come on, eat the cake, it's your birthday. And the last step is to apply our finishing spray. My favorite. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and I think I do want to apply some highlight because I just feel like my face needs a little lift. This is the Becca in Opal. It's not my favorite highlight, but it's all I have. Okay, that helped a lot. So guys, that's my finished birthday look. Now, it's definitely not the look that I created a few years ago. It's close enough, really bright and fun, and like, I don't know, it's just, it makes me feel happy. If I wear something that will accommodate this eyeshadow look on my birthday, I'll definitely duplicate this look because I love how it turned out. Once again, it's not what I thought it was gonna be, but do these makeup looks ever turn out how I thought they would? They don't. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial, this chit chat, get ready with me. If you are a Gemini and your birthday is this month, shout out to you, happy birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop down any comments or questions you have below and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.